Alright, so this is our first season doing a bulk shipping processing for spring shipping season. And so this is kind of our setup right here. As you can see, I spent the time and I dug up the plants that were part of the orders and put them in these bins, as you see. We're shipping, we got orders from Etsy and a few from the actual website. And so we spent time and we prepped all the labels, you can see, with the packages. This year I experimented with using the USPS flat rate boxes instead of doing instead of purchasing my own boxes and packages where I have to worry about weights and things. With the flat rate, it's just a flat rate for whatever fits inside, pretty much. But I'll make another video on that later. And so basically our flow here is we spent the time, we labeled everything and got the shipping labels so that I can bring all these to the post office once we package them up and I don't have to sit there and have them process it. So I bring over the package. We already labeled it, who it's going to and what they ordered. The packing slip's already on it, so it gets moved to here. It's 3 comfrey, so then I'm trying to use repurposed plastic as much as possible. I'm gonna run out soon, and it's a bit of a pain in the ass to do, but it's easier to use saran wrap, but I'm just trying to use up the excess plastic we have. So I wrap up the order, the plants, the comfrey. Here I have some nice cedar sawdust that I got from a local sawmill for free, moistened to the point where I'm squeezing it. There's no I'm squeezing it hard. There should be no drops of water. It should be wet. It should be able to keep a form like this, but it shouldn't be dripping water. That's too wet. Your stuff is going to rot during shipping, or it's going to be more likely to rot during shipping. So once it's wrapped up, it gets moved down the line to the packing station, where it will then get a label with what it is, because people oftentimes, especially with multiple items in an order, they're like, this all just looks like a bunch of roots. What is this? So we'll put this in, wrap up, tape it up, put it into the package along with a business card, and then we'll write thank you on the package. And for boxes, we'll use old catalogs and things as packing material, so the plant isn't rattling around in the box and things. Yeah, so it's pretty simple. It's a lot of stuff. It's kind of a dirty process, but at the end, we'll be able to bring all this to the post office with a packing order slip, and they should just be able to take it away. I think this time I'm actually going to experiment a little bit with. I'm going to see if I can order a pickup where they'll just come and pick up all the orders from my house. I'm not really sure how that works yet, but I'll let you know. So yeah, this year, right now, we're packing comfrey, Turkish rocket, sea kale, good King Henry, and a little bit of sweet Sicily. Yeah, and this is the process right now. Right now, it's probably been we're a couple hours in. I think the whole process for shipping about a little over 50 orders right now is probably going to take us about probably around 4 or 5 hours in total. Alright, so now that all the orders are packed up, I guess we could trust that we have fulfilled all the orders. I could just count them, which is actually what I'm probably going to do. I was just about to go through this packing sheet, but I'm going to go through and count them. We should have 54 packages. Then I know at least we've fulfilled all of them. If I really wanted to, I could go through this and X off and make sure the names and everything, but with so many packages like that, I'm going to be sitting here for another probably half an hour, 40 minutes doing that. And I just decided just now that I'm not going to do that. I was just about to, but I think counting them, I'm just going to go through and make sure that we have the appropriate amount of packages. And I could request a pickup for these for Monday, but I think I'm going to our front porch. Like, I just don't feel comfortable leaving all these packages out the front porch for the post person to come pick it up. So on Monday, I will be bringing these all to the post office with a packing sheet, so they can just scan it, and then everything's scanned in, and that should be good. So I think all in all, we started. I probably took an hour and dug up plants earlier this week, and a little bit of preparation beforehand. But overall, I think we started in earnest probably around like noonish, 11:30, and right now it's 4:30. And so all in all, like I said, probably about 4 to 5 hours for about 54 orders being filled. So that's not bad on average. Usually with the abnormal sized boxes and other things where you have to tape a lot, and I was averaging by myself packing probably 15 orders every 2 hours or something, or maybe 20 orders every 2 hours. But my wife helped out today, and we had people come and watch the babies so we could get this all done. And I think it was a pretty successful trial for compressing all of our shipping into one shipping window. Whenever in years past, I've just been fulfilling orders as they come in throughout the winter and spring. So I think we will continue to do this in the years to come.